Welcome to Bronte Beach, Sydney, Australia. Bronte Beach is a small but popular recreational beach. In the eastern suburbs of Sydney, Australia, it is a division of the LGA of Waverley Council. Bronte Beach is 2 kilometers south of Bondi Beach and north of the much larger Coogee Beach. There is a very dangerous rip at Bronte Beach, known as the Bronte Express. The beach is patrolled by Waverley Council full-time lifeguards on a daily basis, and volunteer lifesavers from the Life Saving Club on weekends and public holidays. A long-distance ocean swimming event is held every December between Bondi Beach and Bronte. The 3 beaches are linked by a paved coastal footpath along the rocky cliff tops. Much frequented by tourists and local runners and walkers, the beach is popular with surfers and, despite the non-rough surf, it is home to Bronte Surf Life Saving Club, and is the oldest such organization in the world, having been formed in 1903. A public park adjoins the beach, with provision of picnic seats and barbecue hot plates, although parking is limited and restrictions are strictly enforced. The beach is served by the size of the sandy area of the beach is far less than it was prior to 1914, when a promenade and seawall were constructed. One a functional storm water drain emptying near to the bogey hole was built in 1918. During heavy wave conditions in 1961, 6 children swimming in the bogey hole were washed. Contrary to the popular misconception that Bronte Beach was named after the Bronte sisters, or Bronte House, Bronte Beach was in fact named after the British military figure Vice Admiral Horatio Nelson, Duke of Bronte, to Horatio Nelson, was awarded the title of the Duke of Bronte from the King of N. Bronte is just over a kilometer's walk south of Bondi. The beach itself faces east and picks up swell from any direction, but bulky headlands to the north and south, and clusters of underwater rocks make conditions challenging, especially for swimmers. The south headland shapes Bronte's premium WAF. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.